Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Discord server link invalid or expired issue on Android. So the first thing that you're going to do here, especially if you are the link provider, so for example, you want to check on the three lines at the top left corner. And then from here, you can actually choose the server that you want to use and to invite some of your friends. For example, you want to tap on the three dots at the top right beside your server name, as you can see here, and then an option shows up here. Then tap on this invite option. Now right from here, before you tap on copy link, just tap on edit invite link right here. Then you can customize it. For example, in expiration, you can set it 30 days to 7 days. But here you can choose the never right here. As you can see, unlock permanent invite links to have this option here. So just tap and choose this never. And then here on Max users, as you can see, you just need to choose this option right here. Now, once you've done, tap on save at the top right corner of your screen. And then from here, you can just tap on this copy link. And so they will not receive that problem or issue on their Discord. But if you are the one who received that link and you have that issue, so all you need to do right here is either request a new link from the server owner, request to leave the ban, or exit the existing server to join the new server in case if you have reached the server joining limit. So that's how you basically fix this Discord invite link issue. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.